How to fix Apple Intelligence not showing up on iOS 18. So, you might be wondering why Apple Intelligence isn't showing up in your iPhone's settings. Don't worry, I've got you covered. First thing to know, Apple Intelligence is actually part of the iOS 18.1 update. As of right now, that update is still in beta, so if you're on the official iOS 18 version, you won't see it yet. If you see Siri instead of Apple Intelligence, that likely means your iPhone isn't updated to iOS 18.1 yet, or you might be using an unsupported iPhone model. Currently, Apple Intelligence is only supported on the iPhone 16 series and the iPhone 15 Pro. If you're using any other model, like the iPhone 15 or anything older, even with iOS 18.1 installed, it won't show up. Now, if you have one of the supported iPhones and still aren't seeing the feature, check your software update. Go to Settings, scroll down to General, and then tap Software Update. Make sure you're running the latest version. If everything is up to date but the problem persists, try restarting your iPhone. Sometimes a fresh restart can resolve the issue. That's it. Hopefully, this helped you fix the problem. If you have any other questions, drop a comment below. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more tips like this. Thanks for watching.